Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In front of me is my very next project. I start working on this as soon as I finish my Subaru BRZ model. As you can see, body is already painted. If you don't see these builds, be sure you check it on my channel. Okay, back to this box. As you can tell from title of this video, in this box is Alfa Romeo 2000 GTAm. So let's open this box and see how it looks. This body from Killerbody. I like Killerbody because in package is very often a lot of accessories, so this model looks very nice. Okay, let's open this bag. And here is lexan body. Looks pretty nice. I like these white fenders. Okay, what do we have next? This looks like headlights and tail lights. Here we have chrome pieces. This should be front lights, tail lights, front grille, frames for headlights, even chrome wipers, really nice. And some accessories for LED mounting. A lot of stickers. Masking templates for painting. This is very useful. Another detailing decals. And of course instruction sheets. I'm really excited about this build. What is my plan for this build? I probably put this body on this 3D printed drift chassis by Dark Dragon Wing. My plan is make 3D printed wheels with original Alfa Romeo design, so it fits very nice to this classic body. And I of course try to make a similar interior as I did it for BRZ Subaru. I'm going to make a roll cage which fit perfectly to this body. I probably use these racing seats, and I make a dashboard according to historical photographs. Because this is a classic car, I probably don't make any tuning parts as I did it for Subaru BRZ. But if you have any ideas how to make this car looks even better, just write it down to comment section. If you like this car and you want to see this build, be sure you hit the subscribe button and bell so you don't miss a new video.